We're doing the spa Island Girl style in St. Thomas, and yo, me never go on better spa yet. Yeah, you're so enough for spending the money. Yeah. Them calling me, calling me, calling me. Hear me now. Them calling me the Island Girl.
There are hundreds and thousands of spas all around the world where you can go for a nice massage, relaxation and some zen time. But here in Jamaica, we have a hidden gem in St. Thomas called St. Thomas Bath Fountain. Apparently, the water here has healing properties and is good for the body, mind and soul. So I went with my friend and Miss Global Jamaica 2017, Nastashia, to see if we could experience some healing of our own.
On our way to the natural hot water spring, where the slave discovered this hot water from 1609. It's a slave by the name of Jacob Sabbastein, badly battered and wounded by a slave master, you know? Seeking freedom, run away and find this water, you know? And all type of leprosy and his skin and all them things there, you know? So for them find that hot water from that day until now, it's been healing people from all over, from all type of sickness.
What kind of sickness is it?
Like arthritis, strokes, any form of pain, and it also heals the mind and the soul too, you know. It's an in and outside healing.
Spiritual healing.
Yeah.
Nice. We're in St. Thomas at the Bath Fountain. My ears to them have some nice, healing, rich water and them something there.
Exactly, we're about to get our massage on.
Yeah, we're gonna see if we feel fresh, that them say.
And rejuvenated after all of this healing exercise. So we'll see in a few.
Let's go.
All right.
Amongst the locals that work here is Rasta Steve. He gave me his special, which he calls the Royal Treatment. It consists of a full body massage, then an all-over body rub with clay, and then a shower with the water flowing directly from the natural hot springs.
Your head to the sole of your feet, you know, your hairstyle could have pretty, little more. This is a blessing, you know, it's enough blessing.
I accept the
From
blessing.
the crown of your head to the sole of your feet.
Oh my God, this feels so good.
This is the pimento oil, you know. Guinean weed, eucalyptus, wintergreen, rosemary, just name it, natural herbs from the bush. So, we're going to give her a real royal treat, you know. In this community, people have it as more likely to come for their doctor, because most time, like, I look at any form of sickness come here first. Well, if anything and you need a little antibiotic, they will go to the doctor. But here, so is the first choice for any form of situation. But right now, you have to make your food be your medicine these days, and your medicine be your food.
This water is so hot. Like, I love to have hot showers, but this is next level. So the clay is also from here?
Yeah, man, this one come from the spring, and the doctors test it to have limestone, mineral, and sulfur. Because when we are picking, we grew up in it and mud up ourselves and never even know so we have treasure here, you know.
Yeah.
Since we get big, we realize that these things keep us so fit and healthy and strong, you know.
Long, right?
And we live long, you know. So this water is healing at the nation. This one here, well, it's rub up yourself. And you titty them. Yeah, cause. See, man, just rub up yourself.
Everywhere, right?
Yeah, man, just rub up yourself, man, cause you have to see the difference of it, you know. Yeah.
Maybe we'll make them bigger.
Rasta Steve has been working at the spa for over 35 years. After my treatment, he explained to me what this fountain meant for him and other locals working here.
So this is your bread and butter. This is your day-to-day.
Yeah, my still writer son since 6 feet ago high school. I help some to college and just nice. Can we get enough picnic, you know. You know, see. So we just take care right, you know. Yeah. And I man meet a lot of people, and based on the joy that they bring and the success in terms of healing process, you know, I feel overwhelming great when a one can come and get their vibes and this. Rasta Steve, Jano, you know, the pain gone and the massage is the best. I go to Sweden and I go to Europe and I never get something that really rejuvenate me and make me feel so pleasant and joyful in myself, you know.
So how you feel, Khalia?
I feel amazing.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
so happy we came here. I feel rejuvenated, guys. I'm ready for like the next year of my life. This place is beautiful, the scenery, everything. And
Peaceful, relaxing.
Yeah man, this is one of our hidden gems on our island of Jamaica. It's in St. Thomas, it's called Bath Fountain. Don't forget it, real spa, right? Yeah man, real island girl vibe. Thank you for watching this video. You've made it this far, so you might as well subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss another one of my new videos. The song that you heard playing in the background is my song. It's called Island Girl. I know you like it, so I left a link in the description so you can listen to it and stream it with any service that you use to stream music. Thank you so much once again, and I'll see you in the next video.